This Thursday morning mga kapuso, dungan tang makakaton o ma-inspire sa usa ka Dabawenya ma'am kung asa nahimo niyang advokasya ang pag-promote sa kaayuhang hatod sa breastfeeding. Ato makatsikahan si Mami Tricia Lim. It's a great morning, Mami Tricia, ug welcome din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta, ma'am?
Maayong buntag, and I am doing fine, and I want to greet also everyone maayong buntag sa mga kapuso sa Mindanao.
Ug una nato hisgutan no ang mahitungod sa mga tips ug importance sa ining breastfeeding. Gusto pa kanamo mas maila-ila pa, Mami Tricia. Can you please tell us about your family?
Yeah, so again, I am Tricia Lim. I have two kids, isa turning 5, ang isa turning 13. And both of them are born September. I am a licensed English teacher, pero I already resigned as a teacher back in 2018.
Well, great to hear that, Mami Tricia, no? And by the way, paunsa ba ka nag-start ni ining nahimo kang usa ka advocate og breastfeeding?
Yeah, good question. Basically, Jel, I began in 2016 when kanang give birth ko sa ko ang second child, si Hunter. Katong time na to 2016, wala jud kaayo siya good support system. So, I resorted na ako na lang good sarili ko na naghanap ng mga support, at the same time naghanap ako ng barato lang na lactation cookies. So dito ko nag-start akong business and nag-start ko ako ang advocacy, and dito na ako nag-focus. After ato, pa-train ko being a breastfeeding counselor with a certain group in Luzon. Mo na to from there.
Mami Trish, unsa ba ang kining sagad ng mga misconception or malpractice ni ining breastfeeding?
First of all, nipple pain is not normal. So, sila sakit daw. Pero kung mag-prolong na ang sakit, it means mali na ang latch ni baby. So, make sure ipa-check ang latch ni baby kung tama ba, kung deep ba or shallow para ma-correct. At the same time, ma-check po kung na ay lip tie or tongue tie. Second, I want to mention is that if breastfeeding is difficult at first, let's say first week, lisod kayo siya, it doesn't mean na mag-worsen na siya. It will get easier as long as you'll be confident and you'll be equipped with the right knowledge. Another one, small breasts won't make enough milk. Daw sila. So it's not true. The size doesn't matter at all, even if you're gifted or not. Naiuban na mga breast friends na ako na kahit na medyo di sila gifted, pero grabe sila mag-produce ng milk. Mga uban na medyo gifted sila pero dili po sila makaproduce of milk. So it really depends.
Dahong tabang kini nga mga information ilabi na sa mga soon-to-be mommies na pod ang imong gipang share, Mami Trish, og kay lagi ubay-ubay na sab sa atong mga mommies ang naka-encounter challenges in producing breast milk. Pero alang sa katong mga maglisod yun no nga makaproduce og breast milk, kung mogamit sila og kining formula o dili ba ka mag-skip og breastfeeding, naa ba ni risk factor along the way, Mami Trish?
Thank you, Jel. If you will skip or if you choose na to laing ng milk, dako jud chance na magkasakit ang baby. Dili mo perfect ang babies namo. Ako 4 years ko nag-breastfeed, and dili mo pud perfect ako ang baby kay we have to think of other factors. Kung asthmatic, ako asthmatic man, asthmatic pud siya. Pero whenever he gets sick, dali jud siya na mahuman, like magsipon-sipon siya like 1 to 2 days lang. Or kung masakit ang tiyan niya, magpadede lang siya because my milk will create antibodies man good.
Very nice, Mami Trish. And with that, we would like to hear from you your message alang sa mga mommies or katong mga soon-to-be mommies na about sa pag-take good care sa ilahang mga babies.
First of all, congratulations. That's a new journey, and it's such an honor and privilege to have a new baby and to take care of, and makita niyo mo sarili sa baby. So, be grateful first of all of that gift kasi dili man tanan naka-imong baby. And I want you to know na our bodies are made for a reason, especially our mammary glands or our breasts. So make sure to trust lang, and also make sure to reach out to your family. Kay kung wala yung support system, lisod jud kaayo.
Daghang salamat, Mami Tricia, for making time with us this morning og padayon sa pag-inspire sa mga mommies nga sama pod nimo. Og amping always.
You're welcome, Jill, and thank you as well for having me here.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.